This video is a tutorial on the operation of the Crum Elbow Sportsmen's Association trap machine. The trap machine is capable of throwing clays for 3 different games: doubles trap, ATA trap, and wobble trap. This video will first cover doubles trap. To begin, you must power on the trap from the switch inside the clubhouse. We proceed to the trap house. For safety reasons, the trap machine should only be armed and disarmed from the switch on the outside back wall of the trap house. Before arming the trap machine, we will open up the trap house and set the machine for either doubles, ATA, or wobble trap. To start, we will set the machine for doubles trap. This will require 3 settings: elevation, horizontal position, and configuring the tension wheel to allow the carousel to drop 2 clays at a time. Elevation and horizontal positioning are adjusted by the respective switches on the control box behind the wall. We'll use these controls to set the elevation and the horizontal position of the trap machine for shooting doubles trap. The switch on the right is for transverse or horizontal position, and you change the position of the machine by pushing the switch to the back. The switch on the left of that is for elevation, and again you change the elevation by pushing the switch to the back. The machine will be set at the proper elevation and horizontal position when the red dot of the laser calibrator is inside the target bullseye, which is located on the back of the front door. You turn on the laser calibrator by pressing this button, and that will give you approximately 40 seconds to adjust the machine. As you can see, it is set properly right now for doubles trap. You can now open the front door. You must now set the trap so that the carousel will drop 2 clays at a time. That is done with a knob at the front of the machine shown here. To set the machine for doubles trap, pull back on the white knob to relieve the tension on the spring, pull up on the black knob and turn it a quarter turn in the up position. You are now ready for doubles trap. You can now arm the machine with a switch on the outside back wall of the trap house. Push it to the arm position down. You are now ready to shoot doubles trap. When you are done shooting trap, you must disarm the trap from the outside switch before you can safely enter the trap house. Remember, never step in front of the trap house with a trap armed. Done shooting doubles trap with the machine disarmed from the switch in the back, you should return it to drop single clays with the switch in front. To return the trap to singles position, pull back on the white knob, turn the black knob a quarter turn into the down position, and release the white knob. You are now ready for singles trap. To shoot standard ATA trap, enter the trap house, which should be disarmed, and check that the elevation is set at the proper height for ATA trap. Do this by pressing the button for the laser calibrator and seeing that the red dot is along that horizontal line. In this case, it has been left in the proper elevation for ATA trap. Next, turn on the rotation by flipping the switch forward. You are now ready to shoot ATA trap. You can now lower the front door and arm the machine from the switch on the back wall. To arm the machine, lift the cover on the switch on the back wall and press the switch down in the arm position. You can now shoot ATA trap. Done shooting ATA trap, remember, disarm the machine from the switch on the outside back of the trap house. Be careful entering the trap house as the machine will still be traversing back and forth. The arm will not be cocked, so it will be in the safe position. Turn off the rotation by flipping the switch to the middle position. Refill the carousel. Clean up any mess from broken birds and close the trap house doors. Remember to power off the trap house with a switch on the back wall inside the clubhouse. To shoot wobble trap and set the machine for wobble trap, check that the trap house is disarmed. Now you can enter the trap house, open both doors, on the control panel on the side wall, flip the elevation switch forward and the rotation switch forward. You are now set for wobble trap. Return to the back of the trap house and arm the trap machine by flipping the switch down. You can now shoot wobble trap. When you are done shooting, disarm the machine by momentarily flipping the switch on the back wall upward. When entering the trap house, be careful. The machine will be wobbling and traversing, but it will be disarmed. The control panel on the back, flip the elevation switch or wobble switch to the middle position, which is off, and the rotation switch to the middle position, which is off. The machine should now stop moving. Courtesy, set the machine to the standard ATA trap settings for elevation. Begin by closing the front door with a laser target on it. Find the red dot and using the control panel on the left for horizontal and elevation, by pushing the switches back, move that red dot into the target area. If the time's out, you can press the button again for the laser calibrator and it will give you another 40 seconds. With the machine reset, you can now refill the carousel, clean up the trap house, touch the door, and lock up. Remember to turn off the power from the clubhouse.